Hello, Namaste everyone. This is Dolly Deep of Namaste Radio. I am live here at Maharaja Bhog. The entire Namaste team is here. We also have some special guests here today. It's located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. Today we are going to talk to the people at Maharaja Bhog, and they're going to show us some special dishes. And of course, social distancing and all the requirements are there. We're wearing a mask too. If you don't wear a mask, no service. So let's check out Maharaja Bhog. And first, before we go inside, let's meet aap sabki favorite
Namaste, namaste everyone. How is everyone doing? I'm so excited. बहुत दिनों के बाद Facebook Live
I know,
कर रहे हैं,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
And of course we are excited because हम हैं आज महाराजा भोग में, located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. So it's on the intersection of 59 and Gessner.
Yes.
So yes, special guest भी है who will be joining us for this live session at Maharaja Bhog. And we finally have for all of y'all, because we talk a lot about her on air, we have Charu with us.
Hello.
Hi,
Welcome.
Charu. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. I'm so excited to be here.
We are excited to have you. Deep and I, are so happy that आज कोई और भी हमारे साथ मस्ती करेगा यहाँ पे, right?
Exactly.
Deep?
Exactly.
Absolutely.
So thank you for coming, and let's go in. But before that, as you all know, we have to wear our mask. So मैं अच्छी लग रही हूँ ना?
Yes.
फिर ठीक है.
Definitely.
So
And yet, no mask, no service.
that's right. So all safety guidelines are being followed. So that's the first one. You have to have a mask inside.
Let's go. Thank you. Thank you.
And as you get in, you can see there is a hand sanitizer, which I am definitely going to use. And the second door here, again, no mask, no service. So here it is. Namaste.
Namaste. How are you, Vanshika?
Good. आप कैसे हैं भगवान जी?
एकदम ठीक. Thank you for coming.
भगवान जी के दर्शन हो गए, वो भी महाराजा भोग में, उससे अच्छा क्या हो सकता है, right?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for the compliment. I'll just get your temperature done if you don't mind,
So
please.
again, another safety guideline कि आपका temperature लिया जाएगा.
And they can ask us also कितना है, so we let them know.
96.8, I'm good.
Perfect. You guys are all on the mark.
Thank you. And y'all can see there's a sanitizer हर table पे. Usually when we come to Maharaja Bhog और आप खाना शुरू करते हैं तो आपके हाथ धुलाए जाते हैं, है ना? But आजकल
Unfortunately,
चीजें बदल गई हैं.
yeah, exactly.
So sanitizer रखा है आपके खाने से पहले. तो भगवान जी, आप कुछ इससे पहले आज का हम कार्यक्रम शुरू करें,
Sure.
आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
कहना यही है कि बस we are following all the guidelines that the city or the state has mentioned. जैसे आप देख रहे हो that all the tables are almost more than 6 feet apart, not almost, I should say. Booths have been maintained a safe distance, and once we go forward, I will let you know that all our employees are wearing the mask. So definitely, which is very mandatory right now. Plus, also we put up a sign: no mask, no service.
Absolutely.
Yes. So, yeah, in that way, just trying to make sure that you come here, that you should feel comfortable that yes, guidelines are being followed, just not for the sake of the guidelines, but it's very necessary.
Actually being followed. And yes, we can see that they are actually being followed. तो चलते हैं. आज आपने कुछ स्पेशल हमारे लिए प्लान
Of
किया
course,
है.
वंशिका आया और हम जलेबी नहीं बनाए.
हम लोग पिछले इतने हफ्तों से रेडियो पे कहते हैं कि संडेज को हम एक जोक हो गया कि भगवान जी हमारी कामना पूरी करो, जलेबी खिलाओ. So today, yes,
definitely.
गरम गरम जलेबी
बिल्कुल,
बनेगी.
बिल्कुल.
मिलते हैं
जरूर.
महाराज जी.
Let me just
जी,
tell
आप
you.
जाइए. So yeah, it is located at 8338 Southwest Freeway. And you can see the thalis, they're so cute. Charu, what do you have to say about the thali?
I feel it's like you're coming here, it's like an occasion. Every time you're like, you're served with so many dishes and so much of variety.
So you've been coming here for a long time?
I've been here with friends.
Vanshika, give me 2 minutes.
Absolutely.
I've been here with friends, and they're all vegetarians, obviously. Nothing like fresh vegetarian food, you know, at Maharaja Bhog. It's amazing. So we love it. We always come, we hog on it, and we go.
And it's unlimited थाली. So
Unlimited.
everything, इतने सारे dishes आपको मिलते हैं, and then everything is like you can have it unlimited. इससे अच्छा और क्या हो सकता है?
I like the size of the katoris. They're not huge, but they're small and cute.
इसमें छाछ भी होती है. Of course we'll get to that stage, but छाछ भी होती है. पानी होगा, of course. इतनी सारी dishes होंगी. Desserts होते हैं. Rice, बाजरे की रोटी, पूरी रोटी, खिचड़ी. Oh my God, there's a lot. Deep, you've had food over here
Yes,
so many
I have.
times with me, honey.
Yeah, with you and with friends. Yeah, I've been here.
तो आई नो यूजुअली हम लोग का ऐसा होता है कि हमें वेजिटेरियन खाना खाने से पहले एक वो होता है कि यू नो अरे यू नो बट फॉर मी
satisfying.
is the best.
Yeah.
Very satisfying.
By the way, both of your moms say hello.
Oh, hello.
Just we're going to start service. The customer who just walked in. अगर आपको you want to emphasize like want to cover that employees are wearing mask and service.
Sure,
I'll
let's
ask
go.
him if he doesn't mind.
Yeah,
Or you can just capture the
Absolutely. We can do anything over here.
I like the wall. I like their wall. Hi, and my daughter is online to say hi, mom. Hi, Siddhi. Hi, Siddhi. Hi, Rishabh.
Rishabh. Yeah, that's from
Rishabh.
me.
Mom is online today. They're like, oh, finally she went into the Namaste radio.
Oh, they've been waiting, especially my daughter. She helped me dress up today. She was the one who was like, pick this, pick this. She and Manshita
Nice.
Mashi, they were like, they want to do it. So I'm like, yeah, let's do it.
I like all the interiors also.
I love this wall. I like the way they display all their spices.
Yeah.
So it's really interesting.
Okay, that's what you want to do. Okay, so hey, you just let him get done with this meal box.
So we were talking about that. If you can see all the spices, Deep, can you recognize any of those?
I have no clue what's what.
Okay, you know what? You should know what the left corner bottom is.
Is that,
Right.
oh. Sorry. Oh, look.
Those are also dry red chilies.
Yes.
Those are round red
Those are
chilies.
round red
on top.
Round.
Do you know where they use the round ones more? During tadka.
Yeah, and I've seen more of it used in Tamil Nadu.
Yes, the south side they use that more.
Oh, Colonel's on too. Colonel.
Colonel Saab, and then that's dalchini.
That's-
The cinnamon sticks, the long one, the spiral, yeah, that one. A lot of those. Jeera hai,
Coriander seeds.
coriander seeds hai, right?
Oh, this is dried cardamom.
Yeah, oh my
Oh my
god.
goodness.
Oh, I need them. Cardamom is so expensive
It
these
is.
days. My
It is.
gosh.
Hi, Irfan. Irfan's on.
Hey.
Oh, they even have poppy seeds. Look at that on the top.
Awesome.
Considering the cost of all the ilaichis these days, it's a very expensive all out. हम लोग एक आजकल एक छोटा सा पैकेट almost $20-25 का आता है.
Hi, Darshak.
They were actually out of stock in Asia. I don't know if you knew that. Elaichis were out of stock because they hiked up the prices so high. Oh wow. So they were not available in the market.
See, the employees are wearing
I
masks.
got a good one.
We are waiting for Maharaji to get the jalebi, ready, so that we can have freshly fried jalebi. गरम जलेबी. Of course हम लोग अपने तब मास्क निकाल के खाएंगे, लेकिन हम खाएंगे ज़रूर. And we'll even get an opportunity to go inside the kitchen. So
All right.
Exciting.
I've never done that before in Maharaja.
I have never done it, period.
Y'all can see how excited I am. Last one. Give them a sneak peek of the kitchen. क्या होता रहता है in the kitchen.
Going soon.
Yeah, it is.
things.
Can I see this? Can you just lift it? What is in this?
Potato, paneer, okra, mung.
Wow. Those are just 4 of so many options. Come, let's go.
Like a kid in a candy store.
I don't like chocolates and candies, but this is even
It's
much
Yeah.
more
Jalebi.
exciting than this.
Oh yeah.
So आप just okay, that's fine. You guys can get in, right?
Yeah.
Just be careful, huh? Sidho, try it.
Free.
Wow, look at the chapati section.
Wow.
Yeah, you can capture that.
Wow, गरम गरम चपातियाँ बन रही है. And look at the इससे गरम गरम पूरी तल के उधर. Delicious. Be careful.
Now, Maharaj is going to start.
So now we have Maharaj ji who's going to start frying the jalebis. Wow. Wow. Oh my God. I'm so excited.
I've only seen this on the TV, but this is amazing.
Wow, that looks amazing, Bhagwan ji.
Looks amazing. It tastes amazing.
I know. I
can't
can't
wait.
wait to bite on it.
No, definitely. We'll make you bite on it, or you have to enjoy it. I know you love jalebis.
I love how sturdy his hand
Everybody
is.
does. Everybody does.
Jalebi is, I think, a universal dish for this.
Well, no doubt about it. But see, I don't know. You've been to Houston, a lot of other places. You'll see the jalebi color, and look at our color.
It's some authentic one.
There you go.
Wow.
Now comes the important part.
तो तरीका डालने का इतना आसान नहीं होता.
Because
The wrist.
Yeah.
this is the only right way. Other places you go, आजकल क्या कर लिया है? They have a glass. There's a hole. No pain.
वही हमें लगता बड़ा आसान होगा पर लेकिन अगर आप करो तो बड़ा मुश्किल होता है वो एग्जैक्टली राउंड.
Absolutely. And this is not कोई एक दिन में नहीं सीख सकता. Because a lot
आप
of
कितने सालों से जलेबी बना रहे हैं? 18 साल?
Yeah.
Oh wow, 18 years.
Yes. 18 years experience. He makes these dahi vadas, you guys will go crazy. Yeah, because dahi vada, other places they use the mendu vada.
I'm always ready to go crazy with Maharaja Bhog food, you know that. Looks so good, yeah. Logo देख रहे हो? दर्शक भाई is like wonderful. Oh wow.
This is the most important part.
It
और
already looks
मुझे
so
ना
crisp.
सबसे मजा तब आता है जब एकदम गर्म होती है और
बिल्कुल।
चाशनी में भिगो के वो जो क्रिस्पी होती है ना.
I will do that right away.
So that is the chashni, that's the sugar syrup जिसमें after they fry it they'll dip into that. That's the sugar syrup, the one on the side. आप इंडिया में कहाँ से हैं?
Understand?
राजस्थान से. राजस्थान में कहाँ से? मैं राजस्थान में ज़्यादा जगह नहीं गई हूँ लेकिन थोड़ी जगह गई हूँ लेकिन ऑफकोर्स राजस्थान का कल्चर है कौन नहीं
Rich,
जानता है.
yeah.
It's very
Bright,
rich.
yeah. Colorful. Very colorful.
Deep, have you been to Rajasthan?
No.
You should try Rajasthan next
Put it
time.
on your bucket list.
Yeah, it is on my bucket list.
इसकी शादी राजस्थान में करानी चाहिए, right?
तो हम लोग कैंपस में आएंगे.
We should. हाथी में बैठ के वहाँ पे होता है ना जोधपुर पैलेस और ये सब में ऐसे हाथी में बैठ के आता है दूल्हा,
बिल्कुल, अभी भी आते हैं.
है ना?
You're actually making me blush. He's blushing underneath.
Not looking. I'm not listening.
इनकी शादी में फिर यही की जलेबी जरूर गरम गरम फ्राई करेंगे.
भगवान करे आपके मुंह में घी शक्कर.
अरे भाई भगवान जी कहेंगे तो होगा.
नहीं भाई नहीं. अब तो गॉड ओनली नोस के कौन सा भगवान कहेगा.
होगा भाई जब सबके मुंह में घी शक्कर इसकी शादी जल्दी होगी ना जी.
Sure.
the main is the I shouldn't say the thickness but the thinness. Yeah, very.
बाढ़ में जाए कैलोरीज, बाढ़ में जाए सब कुछ, सारी जलेबी खाने को I've literally never seen this गरम गरम जलेबी being fried पहले.
I understand. I'm with you.
बहुत ही डिलीशियस लगता है. So that चाशनी में थोड़ा वो होता है कि केसर डालते हैं saffron.
Before we used to put what do you call it? Hey, give me the. What are they? Yes. Rose petals. But अभी yes actually.
What's the type of flavor?
Yeah, for the flavor.
Oh my
Go ahead.
god.
Then I'll start serving her. She wants the hot ones.
Wow, this is amazing. Thank you. Oh my god. I'm going to eat it.
There you go.
Oh my god, it is so crispy. इतनी crispy है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
आप मेरे से ले लो.
No, no. Okay.
It is so crispy.
Thank you.
Wow.
Some more.
It's melting in your mouth.
बाद में लेंगे.
I'm sorry for offending everyone, but it's good.
लेकिन बहुत अच्छी. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my goodness.
So this is freshly fried jalebi dipped into the sugar syrup जिसमें केसर जाता है saffron and उसके बाद ये डायरेक्ट हमारे मुंह में गई है. चारू, what do you think?
Oh my goodness, this is melting in your mouth. It's amazing. Amazing. I wish you guys were here, but we are.
तो आप लोग को आना है और यहाँ पे खाना है. तो आप 8338
You can
South
mention one more thing, and now we are going to make sure that we are going to have jalebis every day.
Ooh. Wow. Lottery lagi. Lottery.
Yeah.
Every day jalebi, guys.
Yeah, every day jalebi, and until the 15th of August, we'll do the armrest. Then we'll stop.
She can't take the happiness.
मैंने इतनी जल्दी
too
खाई है ना
excited.
बिकॉज
Yeah.
अगर भाग गई तो कैसे खा पाऊंगी मैं, उसलिए मैं जल्दी खा रही हूँ. बट थैंक यू सो मच.
Most welcome.
अब हम खाने की तरफ बढ़ते
Sure,
हैं.
sure. जरूर.
दोस्तों खत्म नहीं हुआ है. वी आर गोइंग टू ईट ऑल्सो. थैंक यू
Thank
सो
you.
मच.
Thank you.
नमस्ते. थैंक यू सो मच. आई लव द रोटी का जगह. बी केयरफुल.
It's like यहाँ पे डाल के then यहाँ पे डाल के सेकने के लिए.
Yeah. It was so good. Wow. मजा आ गया.
Vanchika, you want to sit here?
जी बिल्कुल. जहाँ आप
No, wherever you guys
जो
want.
हुकुम बोलते हैं ना हुकुम साहब राजस्थान में ऐसे बोलते हैं ना
Yeah, come on.
खम्बागनी. Yes.
Yep.
And again like I said sanitizer. So यूजली अगर आप महाराजा भोग आते हैं तो पहले हाथ धुलवाते हैं, लेकिन अगेन जैसे हमने मेंशन किया बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड now we have sanitizers on all tables and you can even go
Thank
wash
you.
your hands if you wish, you know. If anybody I'll hold this for you. So चारू, कैसी रही थी आपकी जलेबी
Oh
का?
my goodness, the jalebi was amazing. I'm sorry, you have to see the expression. It was amazing. It just melts in your mouth. It is not too sweet, but it's perfect. And the crispiness, I don't know if you could hear the crunch when we were eating, but Vanchika should show you, make you hear the crunch. It's good. Very good, very good.
Can we get started?
Sure, yes.
दीप, जलेबी कैसी लगी?
It was excellent. Loved it.
Thank you.
I
Loved
wish I
it?
could eat more of it.
Of course we are going to eat more of it. विश क्या भाई, तुम भगवान जी के सामने इच्छा बोलो, सब पूरी हो जाएगी. या सो नाउ हमारा जो ये थाली खाने का प्रोसेस है शुरू होता है. एंड सबसे पहले ये क्या है? बटर मिल्क. ओके. एंड यू कैन सी उनके हाथ में ग्लव्स हैं, उनके चेहरे पे मास्क है. सो ऑल सेफ्टी गाइडलाइंस बीइंग टेकन केयर ऑफ. What is that?
These are the chutneys.
Chinese.
Sausage chutney.
mango, tamarind.
tamarind and cilantro.
Awesome.
Wow.
That's your salad.
I like the color. The presentation is so good.
Very nice. So one thing in Maharaja Bhog is if you don't understand क्या है, whenever they are serving, they'll always tell you what it is and they'll check with you आपको चाहिए नहीं चाहिए. So you know एकदम से ऐसा लगता है कि घर पे बैठे हो और आपको प्यार से खिलाया जाता है. खाने के बारे में ऐसे बोलते हैं ना चारू, जो प्यार से खाना बनाता है, खिलाता है, खाता है, वो अच्छा पेट में भरता है.
Good say.
है ना?
But it's actually home food.
I still have my jalebi, guys. Come on.
Yeah, we shared. We were good. Sharing is caring.
Okay.
बाहर में गई चली.
These are the appetizers.
So this is dokla.
Common dokla, and that's the tiki.
Oh wow.
It's, yep, it's
Is
corn
it
tiki.
किस चीज की टिक्की है? कॉर्न.
Corn tiki.
एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि बस ये एक, अगर आपको और भी चाहिए तो दे आर वेरी ग्रेशियस, दे नेवर से नो, दे जितनी चाहिए वो आपको प्यार से खिलाते.
You don't stop unless you tell us to.
आई एम स्टिल ईटिंग माय जलेबी.
She's
सॉरी सुशील, यू आर मिसिंग इट. हाँ नहीं बट ये वाली भी खत्म करनी है. सुशील जलेबी बहुत अच्छी है.
You're a bit in.
मॉम.
Oh my god, this is like sponge.
या
Yeah, sure.
So all the vegetables have started coming in. That is moong, paneer, it's aloo ki sabzi, and bindi.
Oh wow.
I love bindi.
Wow, that's amazing.
ये जो ढोकला है, did you try?
I'm about to.
It is so spongy. It is very spongy.
Thank you so much.
No, okay.
Enjoy it.
You eat.
Yeah, enjoy it. It's really good.
डोले वाले डीजे डोलीदीप eating
ढोकला.
खम्मन ढोकला. सु बात करू छे डीजे डोलीदीप. He's like, I'm eating. So you can see how beautiful the plates have started looking. वैसे ही अपने में ही थालियाँ इतनी सुंदर हैं, इतनी beautifully designed है, but with the food. So again, that's bhindi, that's paneer की सब्जी, that's मूंग, that's आलू, रसदार आलू. हमारे यहाँ बनते हैं रसेदार आलू.
That's just gravy, right? Rasida means gravy.
Gravy, yes. So Charu, where are you from in India?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Oh.
Born and brought up in Dubai. So I call Dubai my home.
Mama. So yes, that was the song and the ad. The person who recorded is this one. She is the one.
The Telugu song? Yes,
the
absolutely.
Telugu influence in my life.
Spicy lentil.
Spicy lentil. So that's spicy dal.
Yeah. Curry
Goody. Wow.
and the Gujarati curry.
These are the dals.
Dals. So curry is considered a dal.
Yeah, no. That's
No,
two
that's-
dals and one curry.
Curry,
This is
got
the
it.
spicy dal.
Gujarati curry and
No,
then.
not Gujarati curry. Rajasthani curry.
Ah, अच्छा.
And Gujarati dal.
Gujarati.
Very nice. एंड महाराजा भोग में हमेशा मैंने देखा है खाना ना, लाइक आई लाइक चटपटा स्पाइसी खाना हमेशा, मतलब मेरे स्वाद के हिसाब से मिला. एंड एट टाइम्स व्हेन आई हैव स्पोकन टू देम, दे हैव सेड दैट कभी भी इफ यू डू केटरिंग एंड इफ यू वांट लेस स्पाइसी,
Just let them
आपको
know.
पूजा रिलेटेड खाना, दे विल मेक एवरीथिंग कस्टम, मेक इट एज पर योर
Requirement.
रिक्वायरमेंट.
That's good. That's good to know because there are so many people who are hypertensive who do not want to have so much of salt or cannot have too much of mirchi.
Yes.
It's good that they are flexible in catering to one's need.
That's true.
That's-
And
that's really good.
the khichdi is good. Like अगर मेरा तो एक बार था, तबीयत खराब नहीं थी, I just took one box of khichdi. I had like one for two. That is the amras. Oh my god! I think I'm gonna lose myself today somewhere. And यही है वो आमरस जिसके बारे में we've been talking, the आमरस and puri.
I am so glad they did this because I've been hearing about amras in your videos and I'm like, how does it taste?
So
I
yes,
know today.
it's kind of mango pulp. Like it is mango pulp, but you know कभी कभार हम लोग घर पे बनाते तड़का भी देते हैं, तो इसको पूरी के साथ गरम गरम पूरी के साथ उसको तो बाजरे की रोटी किसी के साथ भी दे दो, आई लव इट।
Or even as a milkshake, it tastes so good. It's light.
So there we have garam garam rotiyan. We also saw the tawa earlier and puri. And this also unlimited, हाँ, ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही खाने को मिलता
And it looks so cute. The roti looks like a puri.
It does.
It's just so pulawa.
Mango vegetable.
Thank you.
That's the cutest size of the rotis I've
I
seen.
know, it is so cute.
Adorable. Thank you so much.
Just in case, I got some more hot ones.
Wow, thank you.
And this is pickle?
It's green mango vegetable.
Oh, green mango vegetable.
Green mango vegetable. Oh, thank you. Oh. It's
Papad.
sweet, right?
We do this mango. This is only like 3 months out of the whole year. Whenever the green mango is available. इसको पूरी के साथ में खाओ.
Wow.
Interesting. It's got a perfect chatpatas taste in it.
मस्त जीरे का तड़का सब मस्त है. Actually, what is that called?
Longi. Lot of names are there. Different folks have different religion have different names to it. जैसे हमारे राजस्थान में इसको लौंजी कहते हैं.
Longi is clove.
Yeah, something like that.
You can get it.
Okay.
Yeah,
These are the
I'll
pickles.
take.
Yeah, अचार. Green mango है.
तो
garlic
हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं पापड़ और अचार आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स होते हैं खाने के साथ, तो यस श्योर, एंड अनियंस भी, तो उसके बगैर खाना कंप्लीट नहीं हो सकता। ये क्या है?
ये garlic की तरह.
गार्लिक। वाओ,
And chili.
ओह वाओ, आई विल लव दिस, थैंक यू।
Thank you. No pickles.
I'm good. Thank you.
Oh, dig it? Should have the puri and amras first.
I'm having my appetizers first.
I have to tell my husband I'm so sorry I'm eating this without him. He loves puri and mango.
Both of your husbands not here, missing out.
Oh no, he won't. My kids will be missing out. But it's so good.
My mom's also missing out. Wow. Did you try the chaat? Did you try the chaat?
Oh, yeah. About to.
Wow.
So refreshing.
So refreshing. It is. मेरा तो इतना खाना देख के ही पेट भर गया है.
I don't even know where to start from, honestly.
Wow.
It's like
I love the vada. Can I get a vada?
Of course. Start with the appetizers.
over there. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll do
The
that.
dokla, dip it with the mango and the tamarind, and the tiki do with the cilantro.
Perfect. Thank you. I'm going to do what he said. He's not dipping, but
I love.
oh, it's good.
And this one is amazing. The cutlet also.
The what?
तो भगवान जी जब आप केटरिंग करते हैं तो सबके कोई भी स्वाद अनुसार हर चीज ऊपर नीचे.
Like as we were just mentioning,
Yeah.
we make sure like people who are gluten free, lactose intolerant, no dairy, like gluten free. Okay. Then we have Jain, no onion, no garlic.
Right.
From like Jain also are different kinds
Right, right.
because some eat potatoes, some don't because whatever is grown underground they don't want to eat like a ginger.
Any roots.
Exactly the roots. Yes. Yeah. So yes, definitely. And lately the no dairy way this
vegan
this
जो
thing
हो गया,
vegan जो
हाँ.
चलने लगा है. Even with the Uber Eats you call it or you call it for this. Yeah. The vada. Yeah. So oh my God, like we get Uber Eats for like Americans ordering, they're putting it as vegan, no dairy. Lot of orders.
And if you can get me, I know rice भी आते हैं बाद में,
Yeah.
so that I can show
I'll have the
everybody
tikki,
how
the
it
tikki.
looks like. Yeah.
Thank you. I got another tiki.
Because before I dig in, I want everybody to see exactly what a full थाली looks like. ये तो मेरी खाली पुरानी जलेबी की थाली कटोरी है, ये मेरी.
Refilled version.
I love this थाली. एक बचपन की, you know, अपने.
मतलब this is how we grew up.
Yes. मैं like, you know, हम लोग आप तो मेरी फैमिली को जानते हैं. हम लोग my dad's an Agrawal, my mom's a Brahmin. तो मेरे डैड का जो हमारा ओरिजिनली मारवाड़ी कल्चर ही है. तो हमारे यहाँ भी हम लोग उस दिन मेंशन कर रहे थे लास्ट टाइम जब मैं यहाँ पे आई थी, गट्टे की सब्जी. तो ऐसी चीजें याद आ जाती है यहाँ पे
That's
आके.
on Wednesday.
और Wednesday,
Dal
okay.
bati is on Wednesday.
दाल बाटी.
Yes.
Oh wow.
And on Thursdays it's like dal pakwan. Fridays is like westernized, not westernized I should say, but misal hai, ussal hai, medu vada hai, some
Like this
sort of
appetizers.
different. Saturdays are dahi vada and Sunday again dal bati.
एंड अब आपने बोला 15 अगस्त तक एवरी डे जलेबी.
Yes ma'am.
एंड हमारे वो डील पक्का चल रही है जो हम बोल रहे हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
आप आइए, आपको 25%
Yeah.
ऑफ मिलेगा एंड आप 10 साल से छोटे बच्चे फॉर
Yes ma'am. Yes.
थैंक यू सो मच. मैं
Thank you for coming.
No,
I think
I'm just waiting for the rice so that people can
Right.
see what the entire thali looks like. You can have chai.
Oh, I'm like confused still.
She's still confused.
take it.
She's going to look at it for a couple of hours and then probably get to
How about you guys suggest what should she start with?
I know, great
the
idea.
dhokla.
So we have the aloo, we have the moong, we have the bhindi, what do you call it?
A bhandi.
Bhindi. You have the lady's finger. Then you have the paneer.
It's called the okra, ma'am.
Okra. You have the okra. You have the dal. You have the Rajasthani
Ready?
curry. Then
And-
you have the dal, and then you have the almonds.
So after you eat 50-60 पूरियाँ रोटियाँ, we can go to plain rice and the khichdi, and they can pour in a lot of ghee on it. जितना आपका मन करे, वो कभी मना नहीं करते हैं, कभी ये नहीं बोलते, बस जितना आपका मन करे आप खा सकते हैं. And this is exactly how you will be treated, and that's why we keep saying feel like royalty. I mean, इससे कम रॉयल्टी क्या होगी, राइट दीप? ये बहुत कम बोल रहा है. लेट मी आस्क हिम. हाँ दीप.
I can see they still have full thalis. I'm already.
Oh wow, your thali looks empty. Go for more roti and
Watching my
puris.
carbs a little.
Oh my gosh. डोले वाले डीजे डोली दीप को अपने कार्स भी कर. And he gets another
won't say no
set
to
of. Look at that.
No calorie count on that one.
Let me see that. Wow. और गरम गरम जलेबी आई है. मेरे पास है एक पूरी कटोरी. ये जरूर ले लेंगे. Because ये मैं इन लोगों के साथ शेयर नहीं करने वाली हूँ. Thank you so much. And thank you, Deep. Before we say, yeah, Irfan is like, looks delicious. हाँ, Irfan, आजा. देखो, while I was looking at Irfan's comments, Deep is trying to steal. No. So Deep, before we actually get more serious with eating, what do you have to say?
Thank you, Maharaja Bhog, for supporting us. And amazing presentation, amazing food. Most of you guys that know me know I'm a huge non-veg eater. But I eat vegetarian only at this place.
And
So,
oh, the jalebi is already gone.
yeah. That's why I was trying to steal her.
Lily, it's okay. Remember, Rakhi aa rahi hai. So this is the perfect place to promise me the gift. And
Who are you?
so Charu, before I know you probably have decided what you want to eat by now, like which part to start. Your whatever thoughts. बताइए ज़रा.
Amazing food. It smells so fresh. It smells good. It tastes so fresh. A lot of variety. So if you don't want to cook, because I know cooking is a lot due to COVID, so just take a break. Just come on down to Maharaja Bhog, get your kids.
Your bread is coming.
Come with your kids, have the food, enjoy it. And as Vanchika already said, you'll feel like royalty. That's why you have the name Maharaja Bhog. So enjoy your meal when you come here and have it all.
Absolutely. Thank you, Charu.
Now you.
And like Charu said, घर पे खाना नहीं बनाना है. So they do have dishes. Like अगर ये पनीर की सब्जी है, you can order by the pound. So अगर आपके घर में जितने भी लोग हैं, 2 लोग हैं, 4 लोग हैं, आप लोग लेके जाइए 3-4 दिन के लिए और 4, 5, 6 चीज़ें लेके जाइए. And उन्होंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया हर रोज ना चोर कहीं का. So coming back to this, stop stealing my jalebi. भैया इसको जलेबी लाके दो.
Jalebi
भैया
bhai.
जलेबी लग
Jalebi
रहा
bhai.
yeah. So I love Maharaja Bhog. जब से खुला है तब से
Exactly.
I've been
Black Mirror.
I can say we are blessed that Houston make Maharaja Bhog है and we get to eat something like this, a spread like this. So come on out. They've been gracious and they are offering an amazing deal. Whenever you come down here, you get 25% off. And अगर आपके घर में बच्चे हैं जो 10 साल छोटे हैं, and जैसे सुशील संडे को कह रहे थे, घर में नहीं है तो पड़ोसियों के बच्चे लेकर आओ और उनको खिलाओ. So Maharaja Bhog 8338 Southwest Freeway. And again thank you आपको भी and भगवान जी thank you. Loved everything today.
Thank you so much.
Yes, and अब हम
Now you should start eating. Yes.
gonna start cooking. See, you can see unlimited रोटियां थालियां.
Oh.
ये लोग
Our
बहुत खा रहे हैं.
our hero
ये
is
लोग
on.
देख रहे हो ना आप लोग
Our
फोन
hero
पे.
is on. He's watching.
Hi Sushil, look at this jalebi. But thank you Bhagwan ji again and
Garam,
to
garam.
everybody at Maharaja Bhog. Thank you for supporting Namaste Radio and thank you for making us
supporting
a
us too.
part of all of this.
Very good, very good.
Thank you.
Go ahead, enjoy, huh?
Thank you.
Please.
Bye. Namaste.
Sushil says hi.
Hi Sushil. हाँ भाई आज तो चारों ही VIP है.
I took your spot, but I'll save your jalebi.
Oh. So yes, till August 15th every day jalebi. So आ जाओ.
Now we get to eat.
अब मैं खा रही हूँ.